All right. Welcome back to the solution. I already auto-completed that or filled that out for you, and we just talk about it. It was just a repetition, reinforcement of what we just discussed anyways. So I hope that wasn't too hard for you. So let's say the student we're talking about has 25 points. We have, first of all, to store it in some variable. I just called it variable the exam points, but you can call that differently. It doesn't matter. And then we first have to check if you're below 20 points. I do that by if exam points are below 20, double point, then do the following, and then print basically whatever's standing here that wasn't enough. Then we have the second condition. It's now an else if, the elif, and it has then to be again an and. It has to be exactly between those two, and it's larger or equals to 20 because we only have smaller than 20, and we have to catch the case if it's exactly 20. So at one point, this needs to be smaller or equal, or that needs to be larger and equal. I decided since you pass with 20, that should be larger than equals 20, and this has to be lower than 20. And if it's in between 30, and the next case has to be larger again to catch the 30. If it's between 20 and 30, you pass, but try again harder. Between 30 and 40, performance was okay again, else if, then else if 40, 50, and then the last case is everything above. Should be fine, 25 should be exactly here in that phrase, and it is. If you have an else if here, have again the conditions, that's fine. Then you can use the else case as well. For example, for an error catcher, you say error, something went wrong. This case shouldn't be logically possible. For example, if the exam points is now a string and not a number, that error case would then be catched. Thanks. See you in the next video where we talk about arrays or lists.